I know.
Next
So
time.
it's good. This one just, it's a count.
Just this one?
It's already on.
Oh, it's on it. Okay. Smile.
Oh shit.
Is that on? I said shit. You can get the ferry as it crashes into us. We can use that for the insurance. First option would be to reach the bay and bring it down. But from here on in, we're just going to reach. We don't even have to go up there. If you have to go up there and down,